Where to find the best sites. Snakes, spiders and insects. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about eating habits of the California king snake. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about eating habits of the California king snake is en.wikipedia.org. See the page titled California king snake, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Here's the link. You can also try www.mister-toad.com, especially the page California king snake eating common garter snake. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.youtube.com. The web page California king snake eating hamster. YouTube. This is the link.